So friends, let's see how to make a winding line around a cylinder. That's for that. First, I have to add one two cylinder. Um, then Shift D copy, and then let me call it wire, although no, it is not a wire, and then scale it so that it becomes too small comparing with this one. Okay, so now s and then y, because I want to, like, now you see, you can write 300. This number is scale, you see in the upper side, just here you can see. Okay, so then press enter. Okay, now go to tab, then press Ctrl R, and now you see here the number is 6. So now select 300 once again and press enter. Okay, so I'm a bit surprised, but I was hoping to see something. Anyway, hope that there is something. Let me try this once again. I think I was not correct that time. Now press OK. So anyway, the thing is that you have to do this. Okay, so now it's done. Now tab for come back and then convert it to a curve. Now this one, rotate around y-axis 90 degree, and now scale only around, um, scale and around x-axis. So here it is. Now um, now just add a plane, and go to edit mode and press M, Alt center. So at center, so now you have a press G and Y, so you have this point. I could make a point in the other way, but come outside edit mode. Okay, so I could add a point from here, just from here, single word, add word. But this option is available only if you have already enable extra mesh, this one. Okay, so the another way of doing the same thing. Now let me do one thing. Okay, so I have to come here, click, and is modify. Okay, you see, this is the generator column, this one is deform, this was physics. Okay, that is another thing. Okay, so come here, screw around the, this one is the my x-axis, so that's why I'm choosing this, and then increase the value. Okay, you see it's moving. So you see wonderfully, this is one kind of sine wave. You see, whenever you make the projection of the sine wave, you will get this one. Hmm. wonderful. I think I could do this. Wow. Let me see. Is there any? Okay, no, not yet. So increase the number and decrease this one and reduce this one also. 30 I think is very much enough. 24 is almost enough. But anyway, now come out, move it along X and then reduce once again. Okay, and then increase this one, increase along X axis. So now I have something, so I can take this and this, go to edit mode. I think I can do this. I think I can do, I am not sure, depends. Okay, so let me just check this one. Maybe. So press G and Z. Okay, it is not. So what to do? First apply and then go to, now check one of these. Okay, so G and Z increase one thing. So now G and Z. um I think I have to save it because I don't know if this curve will end start from here or here. So come outside, save, winding. So now I have to choose this one, control A. So apply all transformation. This is present also here. If you come here, apply. Okay, so that was a shortcut. And now let me try this, add a modifier. Oh damn it, I think I made a mistake. I had to convert it to a curve, and then maybe I have to apply control A, all transformation. I think I had to make this one also, and once again all transform. Okay, so oh yeah, so now select the plane. Okay, this is starting from here, so from the end point, and then choose this one and then grab it along. So grab only this one and along Z move. You see it is moving. I So now I think I have to go in edit mode and okay, for some reason. So I am in edit mode with this, and let me delete this one. So I am done. So now please come outside, and I think I can animate it or nothing. If you want, you can do this. You can press S and Z, and now increase this one and come into solid mode. Or let me make this one, let me give them a color. So let me give them a color. um so na- so so now I can make this. Okay, so what can I do is this. So come on, come here. Here is Z. Okay, so bring it to 0. I think you have to bring it to minus. So the thing is, I have to add a camera. um, First of all, I have to add a camera, and let me see where it is. So move it along y axis, and now let me see what can I see. So move once again, no, move once again along y axis. So let me, okay, so now that I now I have to save it with another name. Okay, so I think now I can do this. So uh, this is this is no more, this is no more. Okay, so now come over here, and make a insert a keyframe, so that I have this one. And now come here with 50 seconds, and then increase this. Oh, sorry, I think I in clear in clear keyframes, because I had to choose this one. Okay, where, so now now I have to insert a keyframe, and I think I have to grab this one and press G and move it to 10 seconds is enough. Okay, so in this moment, increase the value. You see it is coming inside. Okay, so now insert another keyframe, and now at 120 insert another keyframe, and insert another keyframe. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I have finished. I think I can do one more thing. In this moment, I have to insert a keyframe right just here, and then come just from here to here, increase y and z. So increasing, increasing, and insert one key keyframe, and from here increase, and move here. So increase, and increase, insert a single keyframe. I think now I have to do this, save as, animated, perfect. So press with shift hold, press backside and play. You see, you see what is happening. Wonderful. I think it's enough for today, or and my animation should stop at 180 90, and this is enough. Now everything is done. Save. And I think I can do one more thing, render. Okay. Let me see what happens after that I have done this render. So enjoy. I will upload this.